I've been going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Jessica and I do a cleaning video every Wednesday, and today it is a little bit different because I am preparing for guests. My sister and my brother-in-law came in for a few days, so I wanted to get the guest room nice and clean and cozy for them. So I did rearrange the furniture and buy a little bit of decor, but as far as cleaning in there, I just used this Method all-purpose cleaner and I kind of dusted off the furniture, and then of course I washed the sheets so they would have fresh bedding, and then I did vacuum in there but I didn't film it. So I'm gonna start out in there, and then I kind of straightened up the rest of the house, and I mainly just filmed the upstairs portion because that's where the guest would mainly be as far as using the bathroom and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this.
I think I lost my way but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark.
Side note, I did lose my tripod clip, so I did not have a tripod when I was filming this, so I kind of had to set my camera up on random things, and then Madeline ended up helping me in the end, and you will see the parts where she filmed, and I think she did a really good job, so thumbs up for Madeline helping me. I did order a new clip and it came in yesterday, so thank God, and who knows if I will ever find the other one.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Till I met you, I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, I don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
So for those of you that have been with me for a while, you may be interested in knowing, I don't know, but I ended up giving my old set of coffee tables to my sister because the set that she had for quite a while, and it didn't quite match her decor anymore, and I knew she would really love to have mine. So I ended up giving that old set there to her. That's why it was sitting up there just waiting on them. So now I just have the other coffee table from Walmart upstairs, and if you don't know that, I'll quickly tell you, and also I do have the Walmart tables linked in the description if you're interested. But when they sent me the tables, my coffee table had a very minor I guess broken piece on it. It wasn't really broken, but just like a minor dent. And so I emailed the company and they sent me an entire new coffee table, which I thought was awesome. So I just put it upstairs, and then I gave my old set to my sister. It was really too much in the bonus room anyway, so I'm happy to have it gone, and I'm happy that it went to a good home and she will be able to enjoy it.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high.
So now I'm going to get started in the bathroom, and I didn't do a deep clean in here. I already did my deep clean in this bathroom for the week, so I just wanted to do a straighten up. And the dog bed is in there because Madeline had been sick, and she actually slept in Bailey's dog bed, which I thought was really cute, but she laid on the bathroom floor because she was up all night sick. So her and Bailey laid in there. That's what that was in there for. But anyways, I had already done my deep clean, but I just needed to wipe down everything really good and just give it a good freshen up, and then add some fresh clean towels for them. So that's what I'm doing. And then again, Maddie filmed for me, and I think she did a really good job.
Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. I was found here, you'll come around here. If you see that I belong here, I won't get on there. Can't you see? Can't you see? Feeding my conceptions, feeding
So I put some clean towels and wash rags in that little basket there. Ideally, it would have been great to have matching towels, but I didn't have matching towels and I wasn't going to go spend money on matching towels, so I just used what we have, but I put them there so they were easily accessible for the guest. So now it is the next day. I ended up getting busy and not able to finish what I needed to do. So it's the next morning and I wanted to share with you guys something that I've been using. It is this product by Organifi and this is the red juice. They also have a green juice one, but I like the red one pretty good. It is more fruity, I feel like, and it's pretty sweet. And basically it is organic and it is gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free. It's vegan and non-GMO and it's just really healthy for you. It has like a lot of vitamins and good things in it. So I like to use it in the morning because I'm not really a big breakfast eater. So I'll just make me a little shake of this. It's not really a shake, it's just like a drink. But I also don't drink enough water, and when I put this in my water, it makes me more apt to drink and be hydrated. It has like a sweet, fruity flavor. And it says on the bottle it helps mental clarity, but I find that it really does give me energy, and it's not like the shaky kind of energy. It just gives me energy, and if anything else, it just helps to hydrate me. But they did give me a 15% off coupon if you guys want to try it, if you're interested in adding something into your diet that's healthy. I know for me, it's hard for me to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I'm just not very good at it. So this is an easy way to add some of those benefits into my diet without actually eating them. I know that sounds awful, but I'm all about easy and convenient.
Never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay?
I got this adorable little frame that you can write your Wi-Fi password on at Hobby Lobby, and it was half off, so it was like $5, which, oh my gosh, you cannot beat that. I love Hobby Lobby, and that is not actually my real password, but I just thought it would be cute to write something on there. But I did end up writing the real password for my guest, obviously. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we had a great visit with my sister and my brother-in-law. And I hope you will subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.